Welcome in mathematics class 8th. Cubes and cube roots. Dear students, figures which have three dimensions are known as solid figures. Three dimensions means length, breadth and height. And you know that the word cube is used in geometry. A cube is a solid figure, that means having three dimensions, length, breadth and height, which has all its sides equal. Dear students, as you know, area of a square is equal to side square. Similarly, volume of a cube is equal to side cube. That means side into side into side, length into breadth into height. Look at these numbers and their cubes. It is 1, it is cube of 1. Cube of 1 means 1 into 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Similarly, 2, cube of 2 is 2 into 2 into 2, that means 8. Cube of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Similarly, cube of 4 is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. Similarly, cube of 5 is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Cube of 6 is 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216. Cube of 7 is 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343. Similarly, the cube of 8 is 8 into 8 into 8, that is 512. Cube of 9 is equal to 9 into 9 into 9, that is 729. And the cube of 10 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. Now look at this table. There are some numbers and there are their cubes. There are mentioned three numbers, 12, 14 and 16. These three numbers are even numbers. So their cubes are 1728, 2744, 4096. 8 in one's place, 4 in one's place and 6 in one's place. That means these three cubes or perfect cubes are even. That means cube of an even number is even. Similarly here 17 and 19, these are odd numbers and you can see their cubes, they end in 3 and 9. That means they are odd. That means cube of odd numbers is odd. Here's the question. Find the ones digit of the cube of each of the following numbers. So we have to find the ones digit in the cube of this number. Since there is 1 in the ones place in this number, ones place in its cube will be 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. That means the number that ends in 1, its cube will also end with the digit 1. Other part is 8888. Since one's place in the number is 8, that means the one's place in its cube will be 8 into 8 into 8, that is 512. That will be 2. When a number ends in 8, that means its cube will end in 2. Similarly, the third part is 149. Since the units place or the ones place in the number is 9, that means the ones place in its cube will be 9 into 9 into 9, that is 729, that is 9. So when a number ends in 9, that means the ones place in this cube will also be 9. Similarly, you can see here the cube in this part or question will end in 5, because 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125, that ends in 5. And similarly here 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64, that means the cube of this whole number will end in 4. Similarly here 7, this ones place 7, its cube will be 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343. That means the cube of this 77 will end with the digit 3. And similarly here 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8, that means the ones place in the cube of this number will be 8. And similarly here the ones place is in the number 3, that means the cube of 3 is 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27, that means the cube of this number will end in 7. So I hope you can do these parts or questions by yourself easily. Thank you for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.